Hello trade boosters, welcome back to a brand new video on our Heikin Ashi candle indicator strategy. So it is a very simple strategy for you guys. I'm gonna just erase that. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw on your charts. It's a very two simple two-step strategy. You're gonna draw your support and resistance levels as such here as well. So you're going to draw your support and resistance levels. Those are nice levels right there. Cool. That is the first step, right? You're going to draw your levels. Make sure to draw your levels. So here's how this strategy works. I'm just going to draw some more levels here, just so we can use previous price to test this. There we go. When you draw your levels, that's the first step, right? Now, second step is to wait for price to become oversold as such at the bottom when it reaches the green, or overbought in a red area. So when it's oversold as such, you need to wait for when it's oversold, you need to wait for a green candle to confirm a buy, and when it's overbought, you need to wait for a red candle to confirm a sell. And at the same time, it needs to be at a key level that you've drawn. So let's say, for example, we are here, we're going up, we see a red candle right there. I particularly wouldn't take that because the sell volume was not strong enough. Candlesticks patterns are very important. We saw a red candle there. I wouldn't take that because it is just not strong enough for me to believe that it's going to sell. Eventually, we get a nice strong red candle here. We get one here and stop loss over there. And you want to target most previous low somewhere here, and you can see that was a nice trade. Very simple two-step strategy. Try it out for yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.